This empty space had no layout and no clear direction. So this transformation shows how to turn it into a well-planned home using a classic style with a Scandinavian touch. At Design Burst, we don't just throw random ideas, you get a real plan that fits you. So, you want to have good interior design? Visit our website or email us today and let's design your dream home together. Starting with the living area, the seating creates a clear focal point. Next, the dining area. The dining space sits naturally between zones. Moving to the kitchen, the layout is arranged for smooth workflow. Now everything has a place, and the layout feels easy to move through. When each piece is planned properly, the space works better and feels more comfortable every day. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp.